We've seen high winds damage homes, cars, and even people across the inland Northwest. New at 6:30, Vanessa Perez in studio with a breakdown of what insurance can cover.
Yeah, if you have home insurance, agents say chances are you're covered if a tree were to fall on your house. But let's say a tree fell on your car or boat in your driveway. Those are going to be covered by full coverage car insurance.
There's been a few people killed here in the last few years by going outside.
Reynolds Smith is the owner of Thompson Tree Service. He and his crew have had their fair share of windstorms.
We go after the most dangerous stuff first, stuff on roofs, people needing access. A lot of times people might need power for medical equipment or things like that.
Smith suggests you stay in your home or go to the basement. Check your home insurance policy. Typically, you'll have some coverage if a tree were to fall on your home. Western Insurance Associates says they start to pick up more calls ahead of a windstorm.
People are oftentimes unsure of what's covered, or like I said, unsure of how much coverage they have for their home. So people just like to make sure that they're going to be protected in a big time of need.
Dino says to make sure your deductible makes sense. You don't want it too high or too low.
Got to look out for your dwelling limit to make sure that that is going to be enough to replace your home. We've seen a lot of increases lately with costs of to replace a home and costs of goods and things like that.
Staying prepared is key. Keeping up with trees on your property could save you in the long run.
A lot of the pine trees, if they're dead wooded all the way to the top, they just don't come down in a storm if they're pruned properly. I haven't had one yet in the last 20-some years. So.
If you do have to file a claim, agents say you want to be sure that it's a serious one. Companies don't like to see little claims. Those do make it on your insurance score, which raises your premium. Reporting in the studio, Vanessa Perez, 4 News Now.